I'm rolling out a recipe for you.
Oh yeah?
I ask one favor of you tonight.
Tell me.
I asked Swappi to come hungry,
Yeah.
and we promise at the end of the night, Swappi will leave Couple Joe happy.
Alright.
That's a promise we making here tonight.
Taking your word for it.
I'm starting with a little Asian flavors.
Tell me.
I think it's probably a little bit of half Chinese in me. I was feeling for a little Chinese food.
Nothing wrong with that.
and I also was feeling for a little spicy.
Right.
This guy here is
He's
a red chili and some green chilies. How spicy you like it? You gonna get too spicy? So I'll put a little less for you.
Yeah,
but it's a little spicy. I want in here, it's a little spicy.
Yeah,
so this guy's very, very first recipe that we're gonna roll out tonight here on Couple Joe is really simple. It's an Asian spicy chili chicken.
Alright.
Right? Simple flavors that we're gonna pull together. I like big bold flavors, and big bold flavors we're gonna try to put out for you. So I just wanna get my pot as hot as I possibly can get it. And I'm gonna start to build. So basically I have some plain old vegetable oil. Some vegetable oil that we're just gonna start with, getting it nice and hot there. I season up some chicken. Very, very simple. This is salt, pepper. I put some good old Trinity green seasoning in there.
Right.
Very, very simple, very, very simple chicken. And I cut chicken breast up in some nice cubes.
Nice.
So there's a kind of nice finger food. You could
Finger licking.
finger licking good kind of thing, right?
Yeah.
That's the chicken there. So I also know, normally I crush garlic. I sliced
Crush it up.
up some garlic,
Yeah.
sliced up some ginger. I love ginger. Ginger is one of the things that anytime I can use it, I do.
Secret recipe.
And then I have some red chilies.
Oh yeah.
That's the base of the flavor that I'm going to start creating here. So once my pot is getting nice and hot here, I'm going to start with the garlic. I just want to move this across here.
Is there nothing? You didn't show that? Tell me.
Get my garlic going.
Right.
One of the things that, as I said, I like to do, important for this guy, is to take the seeds out. So if you're using red chilies and you don't like it too spicy, and Swappi doesn't like it too spicy, you slice it in half. Go easy there, guys. And you take those seeds out.
Yeah,
You take those seeds out.
Yeah.
Very, very important, because
The seeds are
the
the spice.
seeds has an extra layer of heat.
Yeah, the
So you
seeds-
take those seeds out,
Yeah.
and with that I just give it a nice little julienne cut.
Yeah.
Now guys, most of you may not realize, but before Marvin Davis, nobody knows who Marvin Davis is, you know. Good paper business, Marvin Davis, right?
It's under me.
He was a culinary student. Tell him what you are a culinary student. You could be standing up here cooking for me.
Well, listen, you behind that stove, and I'm just actually behind that.
You
big
say,
board.
Joe, you're cutting up the thing wrong.
I can see myself cutting on that, and
Do you cook at home still?
of course, all
Yeah?
the time.
All the time?
Yeah, I'm the main chef.
Favorite cuisine? Favorite thing you like to cook?
Things that taste good, things that taste nice.
Serious?
Yes,
So nothing
nothing special.
special.
No,
But I kind of like, when people ask me what's my favorite cuisine, I kind of like so many different things.
I love food.
I love food. I love food. I love food.
Yeah.
Garlic and ginger, guys. Garlic and ginger happening in here.
Yeah.
To that garlic and ginger, I'm going to add the red chilies right away.
Yeah.
So we really just want the garlic and the ginger to get all nice and flavorful and get the oil kind of combined with the oil. At this stage, I just want to season. I season in layers. So a little salt, a little pepper. This was the closest thing I had to a wok. I had to get one of them Chinese wok. Yeah, this
It's
is
nice, it's modern.
It's modern, yeah. It's my modern wok.
It's different.
It's my modern wok.
I like the handle on
Yeah, it's cool. It's real, real cool. So, happening in there. To that now, straight in I'm going to get my chicken cooking, right? So I have nice cubes of chicken that I'm going to get in there.
So this is what? This is a steam, a kind of
So it's
steam
stir fry.
Steam stir fry?
So it's stir fry, stir frying. So basically I said very, very quick stir fry because once that chicken starts to get nice and hot there and start to cook, I'm ready just going to add some quick flavoring to that and chicken
Finish it up.
and finish it up. And finish it up. Right?
Looking good.
Swappi, are you a Christmas man?
Oh gosh. It's a Christmas baby.
Serious?
I love Christmas mad bad.
What do you do on Christmas?
Let me tell you something.
Yeah.
I just start celebrating Christmas from April. Listen, when you come into my place,
Yeah.
my house,
Yeah.
parang handing plane, you know.
Parang plane?
Through the entire year.
You never think about doing a parang? You never jump in the parang thing?
I know it.
I could hear you jumping up parang.
I know it.
I feel like you jumping on a little
I
parang.
know where that dimension might lead me.
Yeah.
But like I was saying, I celebrate Christmas from April. May, June, and then you come into my place. Ask anybody, they will tell you.
Parang plane.
Anybody you could ask. No, they'll tell you. Parang plane,
Parang plane.
nice ham baking and thing.
April, they say, you
You
know?
know me, I painting and thing. I just obsessed with Christmas.
You
like,
serious?
Like right now,
So like after carnival, you studying Christmas?
my decoration is take 6 months and thing.
The chicken is cooking up, guys. I'm
Yeah.
going to add some mushrooms. I'm going to add some mushrooms to my chicken now.
Alright.
Add that mushrooms there and give it a nice little toss. Getting everybody getting to get to know each other a little bit. I want to add something that they call fish sauce. Now, fish sauce is an Asian ingredient that you can get anywhere in the supermarket, guys. It's not really hard. It's really like an extraction.
I like that.
Yeah, an extraction from the fish. And there's a fish and meat sauce, I understand as well. Especially like if you're working with chicken. I had fish sauce,
Interesting.
and you just really just add a little touch. It's some lovely Asian flavors, a little touch.
Alright.
I also have some soy sauce
Yeah.
at this stage.
Flavor and color.
Yeah. And just about a tablespoon of soy sauce.
Yeah.
And you get that all mixed in there. I have some greens. I have some basil.
Oh gosh, yeah.
I was experimenting to see what would have gone good with it. And I thought basil, when I smelled basil, I said, let me try some basil. That day already Swappi. Smelling some fantastic flavors there. Now, I'm adding some sugar only because I need to balance out the
Oh gosh,
The heat.
that is the secret ingredient.
the heat.
Yeah.
So just some sugar.
Let me tell you something. I just actually use sugar and almost a little touch.
A little touch. It kind of brings it out a little bit, huh?
Yeah,
It kind of brings it out a little bit.
It is actually enhanced
Enhance.
all them flavors.
Serious. No. In anything you're cooking.
Yeah.
In anything you're cooking,
Yeah,
a little sugar.
Yeah, don't overdo it. No.
Just a little touch. A little touch. I have some nice and hot here for you, brother.
Well,
So all you do is that you leave that until that chicken kind of comes together in the flavors. No more than I would say about 5 to 7 minutes.
right.
And this coming together. But of course, we're on time. So I have some ready and prepared for you that I want to plate up here for you.
Yeah.
This recipe is so simple. Look at that. We just pulled that together. No mats in that recipe whatsoever. Jabba dabba 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 dabba. Bam. My brother.
You try now? Yeah?
All is yours.
Yeah.
All is yours. All is yours. Do try. Nice little quick dish to try over the holiday period. You're busy during the Christmas season. My Asian chili chicken. Swappi. We're coming back. Flavors at Fiesta and Swappi. And taking in the flavors here at Fiesta Plaza in Movie Town. Come on back.